Hello again, my name is Ivorie. I'm a yoga teacher and I'm here today with the Desire Company. So I'm going to teach you now what is going to be your best party trick, Bakasana crow pose. It's everyone's favorite arm balance. Once you get it, you all of a sudden feel like, yes, I can do yoga. We are going to come into the beginnings of crow. And let's actually use one of our blocks. We'll use one to step on. So you imagine a crow is perching on the branch. So we've got this block and that's our branch. And let's take this one in front of us as well. This is going to be forward. The crow is looking for food. So I'm perching here, my hands are down, spreading really wide, just like they were in down dog. And then you're going to lift your butt away from your heels. You lift up. Okay, be high on your tippy toes. And then from here, you're going to do that chaturanga move. So you'll bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle. And basically what you're making is shelves of your arms for your knees to rest on. And I want you to look for your prey. So spread the fingers, come high on the tippy toes. Butt is really high up to the sky. Bend your elbows and think, I want to go down and get my prey. And then all of a sudden the knees do come to the elbows and you can pull one heel up and the other heel up. And that's the beginning, okay? Let's go a little bit further. If you've got this block, put it on its highest level. Okay, so once again, hands down, lift your butt up high. Bend your elbows so the weight comes into my hands like I'm doing a push-up. Knees come high up to the armpits as they bend. And then I'm gonna drop my head to the block. Now I've got weight in my hands and my head like a tripod. And now it's easier for me to lift my feet off. And I could actually do some hamstring curls there. And then I'll come down. Yep. So the further you tip your body weight forward, the lighter your hips, the lighter your feet get, and then you can take flight. Go for it, you guys. You got this.